in audio.
Hi everyone. Okay, today we're going to learn about sketching of the graph. When it comes to sketching, we are not plotting. So to sketch a graph, the most important thing is we need to know the key features of sketching graph. All these key features of sketching graph, right? That means we need to look for their x-intercept and their y-intercept. Okay, let's look at this question 4. Okay, in this question 4, they ask you to sketch the graph y equals to negative 2x over 2 over x, and at the same time you have to sketch another linear graph called y equals to negative x plus 2. Okay, we look at the first part first. Okay, to come to this part, right, we must know what type of graph is this. Previous lesson we learned of many types of the graph. Okay, this graph we call it as reciprocal graph. Okay, come to reciprocal graph, right? Now, the positive y equals to 1 over x. Your reciprocal graph will fall under quadrant number 1 and quadrant number 3. However, for this question, it's a negative reciprocal graph. So your curve will fall under Q2 and Q4. Okay, so now we start to sketch. Okay, it reflects along the y-axis and also it reflects along the x-axis. So this is the graph for y equals to negative 2 over x. Okay, we write out the equation y equals to negative 2 over x. Okay, what is the next thing is we need to sketch a linear graph y equals to negative x plus 2 on the same axis. Okay, to sketch this graph, right, first of all, I will construct a table of values, okay, with the xy intercept. Okay, maybe I'll put down a little bit and write out the equation y equals to negative x plus 2 zip. Okay, first of all, I will write down variable x and y, put my x 0 and my y 0 to represent my x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay, now I need to sub in my x equals to 0. Okay, when my x equals to 0, my y equals to 2. Okay, when my y equals to 0, okay, what happened is my x is equals to 2. Okay, now we start to put up the key features there. So I will use red 2 and 2. Okay, take up your ruler. Okay, point at these two areas. Okay, why I need to draw a straight line? Okay, let me tell you the last part. Okay, draw out this curve. Okay, label your equation y equals to negative x plus 2. Okay, after we label it, okay, what is the next question? They say, hence, state the number of roots whereby 2 over x minus x plus 2. Okay, when we look at this question, we need to manipulate the equation. Okay, we write out 2 over x minus 2 plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, to separate these two equations, I will bring my 2 over x to the other side. You will notice negative x plus 2 on the left hand side and the right hand side represent 2 over x, negative 2 over x. That is represent your curve, your two different types of curve on the diagram. Okay, what that means, they want the number of root. Basically, they want you to label or state the point of intersection. How many points of intersection? from the graph. Okay, from here, we know that they will have 2 roots. Okay, that is the final answer for question 4. Okay, next one. Let's have a look of question 5. Okay, for question 5, right, probably you have to draw another 2 more extra axes for each of the cubic function. Okay, question already say cubic functions. Okay, first of all, I will focus on part A. Okay, in part A, this cubic function is a negative cubic function. Okay, why I need to identify this? When I have negative cubic function, right, I must know the style of the function. Okay, negative cubic function, that means we will have a function going down and then have point of inflections and then going down again. Okay, this is the shape of the curve of cubic function. Okay, first, this is my first step. Okay, shape of the curve. Okay, second step. Okay, what is the second step I need to do is I need to find out their y-intercept before I sketch. So to find out my y-intercept, okay, I will let my x become 0. So 8 minus 0 cubed, I get 8. Second, I need to find out my x-intercept. Okay, to find my x-intercept, I have to let my y become 0. So solve my x. Negative x cubed, move over my negative 8 to the other side. Both sides negative, we can cancel off. Okay, my x will become cube root of 8, which is x equals to 2. So basically, my x-intercept will have point coordinate at 2, 0. And my y-intercept, I will have point coordinate of 0, 8. Okay, let's start to plot the graph. So from here, right, I will label here 0, 8 and 2, 0. Okay, make a cross here. Okay, now we sketch the graph. Okay, if you touch at your label, probably you can erase it. Rewrite your label a little bit outside. So then we withdraw the curve. Okay. After that, please label your curve y equals to 8 minus x cubed. Okay, now I have 3 more questions in the notes. Please complete them. Question 5B and C and question 7. Thank you. In audio.